Hello, I'm Rohan from IIC IEM lab, and here we are presenting our project, that is the floor cleaning robot. And you can see that here is our project's display, and we have reused here a ultrasonic sensor, a servo motor, and a lithium battery supply. Along with, we have used a Arduino board, which is Arduino Uno R3, and a power bank, which gives supply to the Arduino board, and this lithium battery gives power to the motors. And I'll here display what it does. So here it is working, and we have also used, for as it is called a floor cleaning robot, we have used the scrubber here attached with the motor. So you can see this display, and here you can see that whenever it will start moving here, and here we are seeing that the robot is moving full 360-degree turns. And now, why did we make this project? It was only due to because the vacuum cleaners that you get in the market are very expensive, and here our model is very cheap. That you can see is only of 1500, and this is the cost which it takes for cleaning your house at just a piece of hand, in just a hand movement. Thank you very much.